pieces!
You jittery? Cut! How shocking! That's it! Hey! You jittery? It's your turn.
About damn time! This is gonna sting! Jump on it, asshole! Give 'em hell!
I'll show you what I can do. Yeah. Get him! Too bright? Cut! Go on! You jittery? I'm feeling pretty weak.
Alright! Watch and learn!
That was weird.
Coming!
Defensive systems compromised. Threat level elevated.
Suck on this! Now this! I'm still kicking. You're up.
So it's my turn?
Hell yeah, bring it on.
Get him! You can do it!
Need my help, do you?
Too bright?
Try me. You got this!
I'll take care of him.
About damn time! Look now! Here we go! Good work out there! That thunder I hear? I'm counting
So
on
it's my
you!
turn?
My turn! Give 'em hell!
I'll show you what I can do. Get him! You've got this.
All right! Watch and learn! You're up!
So it's my turn?
Yeah, I'll do it!
Too bright? Get him!
Gonna make your eye pop!
I'm coming! And catch! One more shot! Maybe this? That's it! Go on! Cut! This one's for you! It's your turn!
Need my help!
Okay.
This ain't nothing! Stay down, asshole! Suck on this!
One more shot!
I'm defrocked! Hurry up! Got a whole heap of land with your name on it!
This one's for you!
Suck on this! That'll do! You're up!
I'll take care of him. You jittery? Maybe this? One more shot! Maybe this? Cut! This one's for you! Too bright? You jittery?
Piss it off!
Threat level maximum.
This doesn't look good!
Any ideas?
Take cover behind the breed.
They all just blew off.
If more come, we're done.
Let's finish this quick.
Bring in the heat. Coming at you hard. I'm counting
I'll show
on
you what I can do.
Not this again.
We can't hide! What do we do?
Stop its attack.
Too bright.
Damn. Does it feel good to be alive?
Quite. But we could still die later tonight.
Nah.
Cloud and Tifa could be dead already.
The hell they are.
Then we need to find a way we can all escape, and quickly.
You're right. Let's go.
All we gotta do now is find the others.
We have them surrounded, sir.
Yes, I can see that. It was only a matter of time. Here we are. So then, what is this ragtag group of misfits I see before me? Avalanche!
Local florist.
Lab rat dog.
And where are the rest of you? Up your ass. Charming, though not what I would have chosen as my last words. Secure the Ancient, but feel free to kill both the idiot and the dog. Aerith, you saved my Marlene. Now, it's time I return the favor.
Wait! Cloud!
God damn it!
Everyone, get in!
Let's go! Stop them, you fools! Don't let them escape!
Let's roll.
Why's he always gotta... Whoa! Whoa! Shit!